next what we are going to study about is the working principle of transformer. So before going into this working principle of transformer, we need to know about the types of the transformer. So usually the transformer is classified mainly based on different things. Based on the supply, it is classified into single phase and three phase. Based on the magnetic core, it is classified into two, that is core type and shell type. Then based on the application, it is classified into two, that is a distribution transformer and power transformer. So usually in core type transformer, the magnetic core is built of laminations to form a rectangular frame, and the windings are arranged concentrically with each other around the legs or the limbs. The top and bottom horizontal portion of the core are called yoke, and these yoke connects the two limbs, and it will be having a cross sectional area equal to or greater than that of limbs. And this each limb or each limb carries one half of the primary and secondary, and the two windings are closely coupled together to reduce the leakage reactance. So the low voltage winding is wound near to the core, and high voltage is wound over the low voltage winding, which will be little away from the core. This is done mainly in order to reduce the amount of insulating materials required. And the second one is shell type transformer. In shell type transformer, the windings are put around the central limb only, and the flux path is completed through two side limbs, and the central limb carries total mutual flux. Next one is distribution transformer. So the transformers up to 200 kVA are used to step down the distribution voltage to the standard service voltage, which we people are using in our home. That is from transmission voltage to distribution voltage, that are known as distribution transformer. Usually these transformers will be kept in operation all the 24 hours a day, whether they are either carrying any load or not. Next one is power transformer. In the transformers used in substations or in generating stations are called as power transformers. They have the rating above 200 kVA. Usually the substations will have number of transformers working in parallel. During heavy load periods, all the transformers will be put in operation, and during light load periods, some transformers may be disconnected. So this is what about uh, different types of transformers. Next we will see about the working principle of transformer. See this GIF diagram. Here the working principle of transformer is animated very clearly. Usually this transformer, the working principle of transformer is based upon electromagnetic induction or mutual inductance. So when primary winding is connected to a source of alternating voltage, an alternating magnetic flux is produced around the winding. See this, produced around the winding, and the core provides the magnetic path for the flux to get linked with the secondary winding. So here there will be core. For simplicity, it is not given the core here. Usually when you see the diagram, transformer diagram, it will be having core also. So the most of the flux which is generated from the primary will get linked to the secondary winding. That windings are called as useful flux, and the flux which does not get linked with the secondary windings are called leakage flux. See, as the flux produced is alternating, see, because we are giving alternating supply here, so the flux produced here will also be alternating, and the direction of it will be continuously changing. So the EMF get induced in the secondary winding based on the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. This EMF is called mutually induced EMF, and the frequency of mutually induced EMF is same as that of what? Supplied EMF. If the secondary winding is a closed circuit, if any load is connected like this, then the mutually induced current will flow through it. Mutually induced current will be flowing through it. So hence the electrical energy is transferred from this circuit to this circuit, and there will be no change in frequency. So here we have different types of transformers will be there. So that is 415 volt to 230 volt transformer.